Building a dynamic rental income dashboard in Excel. Audience level, beginners to intermediate Excel users. Objective, to explain step-by-step how to build, organize, and enhance a rental income dashboard using Excel. Introduction. What is a rental income dashboard? Hello, everyone. Today, we'll explore the process of creating a rental income dashboard. Think of this as a powerful tool that helps landlords or property managers track their rental income, payment statuses, and tenant details. This dashboard is both interactive and visually appealing, making it easy to monitor financial health at a glance. Structure of the workbook. Our workbook is organized into 3 essential sheets. 1. Rental data. Raw data. This is the foundation of our project. It contains all the details about store locations, payments, and agreements. 2. Pivot charts and graphs. Sheet 2. Here we analyze the data using pivot tables, slicers, and graphs to extract meaningful insights. 3. Dashboard. This is where everything comes together. The dashboard is the polished interface that provides key metrics and dynamic visuals for decision-making. Step 1. The raw data sheet, rental data. Structure of the raw data. The rental data sheet has the following columns. Store ID, a unique identifier for each store. Store name, the name of the store renting the space. Flat unit, the specific unit or flat rented. Agreement date, the date when the rental agreement started. Rent amount, monthly, the monthly rental amount for the store. Due date, the date by which payment should be made. Payment year, the year of the payment. Amount received monthly, the actual rent received for the month. Balance due, any unpaid amount for that period. Payment status, whether the payment is complete, pending, or overdue. Location, the geographical location of the store. Features added to raw data. Data validation ensures that entries like payment status have standardized options, e.g. paid, pending. Conditional formatting highlights overdue balances in red and fully paid rows in green, making the data easier to interpret. Error checking prevents incorrect entries, ensuring data accuracy. Step 2, the analysis sheet, sheet 2. Why use pivot tables? Pivot tables are ideal for summarizing and analyzing large data sets. In this sheet, we used pivot tables to generate insights such as total rent received by store name, payment trends by year and location, outstanding balances grouped by store location. Steps to create pivot tables. 1. Select the entire dataset from the store rental data sheet. 2. Go to the Insert tab and click Pivot Table. 3. Drag fields like store location, year, and payment status into the rows, columns, or values areas to summarize the data. Creating pivot charts. Add bar charts to show total rent received by store. Use line charts for monthly payment trends. Combine charts to provide a comprehensive view of the data. Hack: adding slicers. Slicers make pivot tables dynamic. Here's how we set them up. 1. Go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab and click Insert Slicer. 2. Add slicers for store name, location, and payment year. 3. Link slicers to multiple pivot tables by right-clicking and selecting Report Connections. Step 3. Building the dashboard. Objective of the dashboard. The dashboard is designed to present an overview of total rent received, outstanding balances, and payment trends. Allow users to filter data by location, store name, or year dynamically. Provide actionable insights in a visually engaging way. Key dashboard components. 1. KPI tiles, key performance indicators, total rent received, total balance due, number of overdue payments. 2. Dynamic charts, a bar chart showing rent received by store, a line chart for payment trends over time, a pie chart for payment statuses, paid, pending, overdue. 3. Slicers for interactivity. Clicking a slicer, e.g. store location, updates all charts and tiles dynamically. Steps to create the dashboard. 1. Insert shapes for design. Use insert shapes to add headers, boxes, or containers for each chart. 2. Insert pivot charts. Copy the pivot charts from sheet 2 and place them neatly in the dashboard. 3. Link slicers. Add slicers to the dashboard and connect them to the relevant pivot tables for seamless interactivity. 4. Formatting. Use consistent fonts, colors, and styles to create a polished look. Step 4. Ensuring everything works dynamically. Testing slicers. Click on a slicer, e.g., a specific location or year. Observe how the charts and metrics update instantly. Addressing common issues. If slicers or charts don't update, ensure all pivot tables are connected to the slicer under Report Connections. Check for any blank rows or missing data in the raw dataset. Step 5. Finalizing the dashboard. 1. Add a title. Make it clear and professional, such as Rental Income Dashboard. 2. Provide tooltips. Add small notes or legends to explain charts or metrics. 3. Test the dashboard. Simulate real-world scenarios by filtering data and validating results. And congratulations! You've built a professional rental income dashboard in Excel. This project showcases your ability to manage raw data, analyze it with pivot tables, and present it in a dynamic dashboard. The dashboard is not only functional, but also visually appealing, making it an excellent portfolio piece. Let's keep pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve in Excel. Next time, we'll tackle even more complex projects like business analytics dashboards. Keep exploring and practicing. Let me know if you'd like me to include visuals or examples specific to your dataset.